Hey and welcome back. In this video we're gonna take the V70 up to Eskilstuna and we're going to a barbecue night with SVK. He's a profile here in Sweden and we have been traveling for almost 2 hours and we are in Jönköping right now and we have like 3 hours left. Hopefully we'll make it in time, but yeah, so just hang with us. Well, as usual, when we do stuff like filming that S15, we should have been turning off the road with him, not filming. So yeah, wrong turn, and see if we can come back to him. So yeah, we have 20 minutes left to the car wash where we're gonna meet up with Adrian, and he has a really nice Saab. So yeah, it's gonna be the Volvo and Saab together. And we're gonna wash the cars and prep them before the event. And the clock is 8:43 right now, and we have 45 minutes until the event opens for the people that are coming up with the cars and stuff. So yeah, we have a lot of time, kind of. So yeah, we're gonna just wash the cars and see where we have. We have arrived, as you have seen, because we have already washed the cars, but yeah, and you have seen Adrian's Saab as well, and yeah, but we're just gonna travel to the meet and meet up with all the other ones. Well, we are here.
Yes, sir, you want something to drink? Take something to drink.
So yeah, we are here, and there are a lot of people. It's really, we can really see that the corona has ended here in Sweden, so people are coming out and it's nice to see that a lot of new cars are here, because we have so long here, so we haven't seen all the cars around from this part of Sweden, so that's nice, and let's check out the best of them. So yeah, there are some drifting here as well, and there are actually really good people here. Like we have 4 Swedish championship holder, and well, not at the same time, but in different years. And we have the Audi RS5 are for sale right now, and it's worth 1.5 million Swedish crowns. Well, that's a lot. So it's a really nice car, and well built overall. Well, all the cars are well built, and yeah. Well, if you know me, you know I love drifting, and you're probably gonna see more drifting in the future from me, at least. But well, we will see in the future.
Taking
So yeah, this is Olsson, and he's the driver of the RS5.
One of the drivers today.
Yeah.
We have Rickard Ivars as well, so we're jumping in between.
Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna ask him some questions just about car. Why did you build the RS5?
Just because I'm on the free, of course, and it doesn't. I mean, if you look at the drift scene today, I'm not a competitive drifter. I'm just a show drifter for fun, and no one has a proper Audi drift spec with our rear-wheel drive. So that was my main goal, and to build on this chassis with a Liberty Walk kit, and to find the original RS5 and try to get the Liberty Walk kit to fit on those fenders. So the guys from Umeå, Dennis and the Wheeler racing team did a great job with that.
Yeah, it looks awesome.
So that was the goal. So it's one of a kind, and it's one in the world, and that is so it's pretty unique car. So that was the main reason.
Yeah. And you built it just for show, or?
No, it is. I mean, it is a bit heavier, maybe 200-300 kilos above the other ones, but I still use all the original cars, like the body parts, like the doors are original, and I have the glass windows and everything just to get a good fit and look to it. Yeah. So I mean, it's easy to find 200 kilos to go down, and I mean, everything is prepped for a proper race, like a pro car, so it's no problem to race with it.
Yeah. So why did you choose the engine?
Because first of all, I wanted to have a VOG straight through, and this engine has just proven that it can handle a lot of beating. Yeah. Because it's the cylinders is placed in a special way, so you have a lot of iron between the cylinders, and just the sound is amazing. And I rebuilt, it's a R32 with a VR6 crankshaft just to shorten the stroke. So it's a 3 liter instead of 3.2. Okay. And then you use all the other parts from the R32 engine. So you have the head and everything from that engine, and that's pretty unique. And we built a dry sump system to it, and it's around 7,800 RPM at the moment. So it speaks good.
Yeah. And it's how much horsepower?
It's 826 on the wheels, and then 931 newtons.
So how did you do with the rear subframe, or the original differential? Yeah,
it's a Pro Winters differential. Yeah. Then it's custom drive shafts, of course, and custom what do you say, caron? What is
drive shaft?
Yeah, the drive shaft. Doesn't matter, but it's the original subframe in the original fixings, and then we have built in a Winters differential in that. Yeah. With a quick change. Yeah. And then you have in the front, I mean, it's the parts are not, you don't have any parts that are ready aftermarket for drifting, of course. So we took a Supra subframe and extended that and rebuilt it in the original fixing in the front, and then it was just to put a Wisefab kit from the Supra.
Yeah. Make it easy.
Yeah, but it's amazing how it works, because that could have gone either way. Yeah. So it works really good. The balance is great, and it's exactly the same geometry in the car.
Oh, yeah. And the gearbox is?
It's a Samsonos gearbox. Yeah. So I think that is the next, the upgrade that need to be done is we need to have a sequential gearbox in it. Yeah. So now it's a regular age Samsonos dogbox. So that is something that needs to improve. But other than that, it's just more grip if you want, because it's Öhlins PRX shocks in it, so it's easy to get more grip.
Well, the car is for sale, or are you gonna keep it, or how do you feel?
It is for sale, and I maybe have a few that wants to buy it now, and we'll see. Yeah. So we have one really interested guy here, trying it out, and he's loving it. So let's see what happens. But I'm gonna, this is the last year with the car. I have so much other projects, and just need to be with the family when I'm not working. So, and I love to be up in the mountains, biking, I mean skiing stuff.
Yeah,
so.
yeah. I have been following your house build on the in Olle, and well, it looks sick. So
yeah, I really like houses as well.
Yeah.
So that's fun projects, and that's better projects because you always earn money.
Yeah.
And this you just lose money.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
So yeah, this is the one of the most badass cars here and in Sweden. It's original from a BMW 7 Series limousine. So the bottom and the chassis is from a BMW, and then they have taken the American body and put it on top of the chassis. So the wheelbase are the same from the BMW to the body itself, so it's all lines up, and they have done so everything works with the soft close on the doors works and stuff like that, and then all the electronics as well, so everything works. He have been working on the car for 2 years, and as you can see, it's still work in progress, but it drives. So the wheels he have designed himself, and then send the stuff over to VR Wheels, a wheel company here in Sweden that makes 3-piece wheels, and then so they have CNC'd everything out by himself. They really match the car. They have the new stuff and the old look to match the, yeah, I think they make the car really good. So yeah, that was all for today. We had an amazing event. We had a lot of fun. The cars are on point, not really as Ultra Race, but nothing gonna compare to that. Don't forget to subscribe and leave the video a like if you liked it, and enjoy life.